Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. So today I'm going to be doing something I did a couple of months ago, but when I did that soap, I did a last minute change on the pour design, the design of the pour that is, and it didn't work as well as I wanted. It didn't look bad by any means, but I had a lot of muddling together and the black overtook most of the other colors. So I had a lot of black and a lot of kind of charcoal gray, just not what I wanted. So I'm going to try it again today and have some more defined colors. So I'm fragrancing this with the same fragrance I used back then, Brambleberries Apple Sage, which is a long time favorite of mine. Be using Nurture Soap's Activated Charcoal, Mad Mica's Titanium Dioxide White, Nurture Soap's Iris Purple, and Nurture Soap's Siren Song. I plan to just do a drop swirl like I did last week, and hopefully these colors will stay a little more defined, independent, and well defined. And I got such a good result on last week's drop swirl. I'm going to try it again this week. So let's make some soap. As usual, I'm soaping at about 86 degrees. In that neighborhood always works well with this recipe. And as usual, I will start by slowly pouring the cooled lime water solution into the cooled oils. And I'll bring this to the most basic emulsification I think I can get by with. Which has been achieved. So I'll put this into our containers, and as usual, close is good enough. So I am going to just eyeball it. I got it pretty daggone close the first time. So we'll scrape the container. This one container is going to have just a little bit more, and I think that's okay because I'm going to put that into the white. I'm going to make this one the white. So I think it's actually okay if this has just a little bit more. So let's line these up in the order which I'm going to pour, which is, like I showed you, black, white, purple, and blue. So this larger one is our white. Let me just give this a little quick buzz to make sure it's mixed up. I do have it dissolved in water. Yeah, that's good. Give it a hand stir, because I always try to mix things up lightest to darkest. And when I give that a buzz with the stick blender, it'll really brighten it up. So the next will be our Siren Song. Kind of a heaping teaspoon should do. Give it a stir. Yeah, perfect. Next is our iris purple. Once again, about a heaping teaspoon should do. Perfect. And last but certainly not least, my beloved activated charcoal. Very good. So let's give these a quick buzz to finish mixing those up and to disperse those titanium dioxide particles and get that really bright white. Once again, lightest to darkest, so I will start with the white. So much better. Move to our blue. Our iris purple. And our charcoal black. My fragrance is pre-measured, so I'll just put about 1/4 into each container. And like last week, this fragrance behaves, but it doesn't actually slow your trace down, so I am going to just hand stir it in. I used to only hand stir fragrance, and as I got a little more confident and secure, I started giving it a quick stick blend, and some I may do, but I'm trying to get back to just hand stirring it in and waiting for it to set up on its own. So that's a little thin. I'm going to shut us down and wait for this to come to a consistency that I like. I'll be right back. Alright, as it tends to do, the TD's thickening up a little more than the other, so I really think I better get started. And we'll do this just like last week. Low and slow. This is even thinner than what I had last week. Alright, we're back to cut our soap, and I am really digging the top on this soap and the colors on this, so I think I got what I expected this time. And that apple sage fragrance is just so fresh and clean. It's just like there's a hint of the sweet apple, there's more of the savory side to it from the sage, but I love it. It's always been a favorite. I think I got a really good pour with this one. Let's find out. Oh yeah. Oh goodness, yes. Yeah, very nice. Nice thick colors, you know, easily defined. They all stayed independent and didn't muddle together. So there's half of that log. Let's do this half of this other log and see what it looks like. My camera just cut right off. I don't know if it recorded that or not. We'll find out in just a minute. This is the second log. This is from the first log. In case it didn't record, I'm not sure if it did or not. So, if I missed recording at the beginning, so sorry. Here are a couple of bars from the first log. Got really nice drops and really well-defined colors. And here are a couple of bars from the second log. Totally different design, but really nice, well-defined colors. And I'll finish cutting those off camera and upload a snapshot of them all lined up. But that is what I have this week. Turned out very well. I am super, super pleased with these. So thanks for watching, everybody. And as always, stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and I'll see you next week. Bye.